अरे बाप रे.
Okay, so my best friend name is Sue Hannah. She is my best friend in IRL. And my online bestie is Psycho Criminal. So my most three favorite games in Roblox are 1. Grow a garden to DTI. 3. The strongest battle mode. Here is the most embarrassing story of my life. It was back when I was 10 where I wrestled. I was on my way to the market to pick up a few things. And just as I stepped out of the house and walked a little further, last question.
So this is my voice reveal, guys. Thanks for the love and support. This is just the start of something amazing. Get ready for more exciting videos and contents. Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you all have a good day.